Ha, guys, you're gonna love this. I hacked this thing right off. It's a 22 Sprinter, and these lovely engineers designed this silly thing so it stuck you in the leg the whole time. I just got back from a month or 3-week journey all across the country and back, and this thing clipped me in the calf the whole way. So what do you do with it? You hack the sucker right off. This thing is going to come out perfect. You guys are going to love this. So as I mentioned before in some of my other videos, this thing sticks out so far that you go to move your leg around it, and then of course you bang your knee into the cup holder. But it just stabs you the whole way. You got to pick a side if you want to put your heels up against the seat when you're in cruise control, etc. Anyway, it goes on like this, and it is a perfect retrofit. Now, I haven't completed it yet, but man, the cut came out great. The thing fits so good inside, like it just slides back up into itself. If you flip it over, it'll shove into its own groove like perfectly. Look at that. And now all you gotta do is throw a little screw through it and you're done. Now this is tapered upward. You can still reach it really easily to adjust the seat. And what you could do, which I thought about yesterday, is you could take the right knob and switch it with the left knob, meaning that I go to the passenger seat, which I'm gonna cut off too, because my buddy thought it was annoying as well. He was sitting over there most of the time. I could cut that one off, and that means that because there's a kind of, I think, a left and a right, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that if you then flip them, the handle, this piece, would technically be still in this position, giving it kind of the same contour that it has in the upright position. I think. I'm going to double check that, but just keep that in mind. You could cut one off, the driver off, and put it over on the passenger in its upside down position, and vice versa. One little screw, this thing is fixed. It's been bugging me. I was trying to figure out if this was going to work, and let me give you the details. Okay, all you got to do is take your tape measure, and you're going to measure 2.5 inches back from the beginning of the knob, or let's see, the back side of the knob. So technically, just measure from this point with your tape measure, right here where my thumbnail is, and go back 2.5 inches and score it, and then hack it off with your little blade saw here, and nice and clean and straight. You can slide the seat forward, obviously, to get better access to it. I just put this rag down to catch the metal cuttings or whatever. And man, look at that. I'm so happy I'm getting rid of this stupid thing. I should have been a Mercedes engineer. I know you guys are probably going to agree with me. Just kidding. But wow, this is going to work out perfect. I took a couple, basically, I guess I took 2.5 inches off this calf stabber. So anyway, she will mate literally perfectly inside of her own groove, and you're done. Put a screw in. Hope that helps you guys. Super easy fix. I actually probably could even zip tie it. The thing's not going to go anywhere, but it doesn't matter. I'll throw a screw through it. Anyway, hope that helps. Hope that helps you guys. What a nice relief to get rid of this stupid thing. Talk to you guys later. Enjoy the hack, the fix, the literal hack. I love hacking that thing off. I didn't even care if I ever put it back on. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.